In 1983 and 1985 for conspiracy. You're dismissed.
Oh, I'm dismissed.
You're dismissed.
Because I can.
Because you're ready to shoot me, right?
Subscribe and embark on an exhilarating odyssey where police interaction intertwines with concealed secrets, lawsuits, and rampant misconduct. In a world where bumbling cops face an unexpected genius, get ready for a showdown they'll never forget. 8 cops harass a street photographer in Henderson, North Carolina, violating his rights for taking pictures in public. As he gets angry, he decides to return and give them a taste of their own medicine.
How many cops does it take for a public photographer?
Do what?
How many cops do it take for a public photographer?
Well, we're just trying to see what you're doing, man. Walking around filming everybody with a gun on your hip.
That's totally legal.
Not on county property, I don't think.
This is public property.
This is county property.
Which is public property. Call your supervisor. Before you sign your name on the dotted line on the lawsuit, call your supervisor. This is public property.
This is county property.
It's public. This is taxpayer. Well, if you don't think so, I need you to know so. Because these are my rights you're about to violate. So I need all y'all to be sure that what you're finna do is legal, okay? Because I can film in public as long as I want to. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cops out here, and you got your hand on your gun for what reason?
For my safety.
Are you ready to shoot me?
No, I'm not.
So why you got your hand on your gun?
Because I can.
Because you're ready to shoot me, right?
No.
Guns are made to shoot. Y'all are a joke.
Opinion at this point.
No. It's a matter of fact. Your hands are on your gun.
The issue is not here.
I'm done talking to you.
The issue is you open carry.
Which is legal in this state.
Not here on this county property.
This is public property.
This is
I can't carry inside of there. That's a government building.
You're right.
Exactly. I'm outside. This is a public area. What's your name?
Parking lot.
Tell me your name.
Detective Williams.
Detective Williams.
Yeah.
Your badge number?
We don't have badge
Don't have badge numbers.
No.
So what you're telling me right now is, per the Constitution, I cannot open carry or film in none of this area.
Per the county policy.
But policy isn't law. I need you to understand that. Policy isn't law.
Hey, man, what's your name?
I'm not giving that out. I haven't broken the law.
Well, I want to know what to refer to you as.
Good citizen, please.
Good citizen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, the reason we're here is because it is abnormal for somebody to open carry on county property.
Now, with that opening statement, listen, I would much rather talk to you, but I need this officer to understand that he's threatening my life with his hand.
He's not threatening his
And he has the top of it. I need y'all to see this, okay? He's done took the top off his gun. He's ready to shoot me for no reason. Yes, sir. I'm
trying to be
sorry.
cordial with you because I am the supervisor.
My keys are right here. I'm cold. I'm putting my hand right here, okay? I don't want you shooting for no reason.
Hey, can you talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am the supervisor.
Yes, sir.
The county parking lot, it is county property, but the parking lot is public. You are right about that.
Yes, sir.
But it is abnormal for people to walk around the parking lot with an open carry pistol. It is abnormal. You have to admit that it is abnormal.
But is it legal?
It doesn't matter whether it's legal or illegal.
Is it legal?
I'm saying
I just want to answer my
it
question.
raises people's suspicion.
But you're the supervisor, so you should know this more than anyone. Is it legal?
It is legal. Yes, it is.
Can I have your name? Oh, I'm sorry. I got that already. Can I have your name?
Are you going to listen to me?
Have your name.
What's the name for?
I want your name first. It's your policy. Can I have your name?
It's my policy to give you my name?
You do. Because you're in uniform, so you have to identify yourself.
Corey Payne?
Corey Payne, thank you. All right, any of y'all detaining me? Anybody detaining me here?
All right. Since you're not going to be rational and talk to me, we're going to leave.
Thank you, bye. No, don't you do anything illegal. All right, bye. Chump, all these cops out here trying to violate rights for no reason.
Talking about trying to violating rights, here is another power-tripping deputy who messed with a citizen that knows his rights.
What's your name and badge number?
Are you videotaping license plates?
I'm going to tell you right now, okay? If you come out here and you even tell me I can't record something from a public easement, I'm going to hold you liable under Chapter 21, Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983 and 1985 for conspiracy. You're dismissed.
Oh, I'm dismissed.
You're dismissed.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I just asked you questions.
No more questions. I don't answer questions.
All I'm asking...
I want an attorney present.
Okay.
I want an attorney present for any questions that you have.
All I'm asking is just don't cause a disturbance to the people, okay?
I don't care what you're asking. You're dismissed.
I'm gonna go talk to you.
Have a good day.
After realizing he can't deal with him, the cop went to call another deputy to help in the intimidation, but still, he schools all the cops like a boss.
I do need you to provide me information.
I'm not going to give you ID.
You actually have to.
What crime do you suspect me of?
There is no crime.
Okay, so in Florida, if there is no crime, then I do not have to identify myself. Go fuck yourself. I'm not going to ID. I totally 100,000% refuse. I have not committed a crime. You cannot articulate a crime. You just said it in front of 27 people that I didn't commit a crime. If I have not committed a crime, then I do not need to ID. Bye-bye.
Why are you getting into right now?
I am not going to give you my ID. You have zero chance of you getting my ID. You're coming at me. You have 3 deep right now, which is an intimidation against my rights. It is an intimidation against my rights. 42 USC section 1983 for violation of 1st and 14th, Article 5 under the 14th Amendment, civil rights. You guys want to play games? I'm telling you right now, I can pro say this. You're going to lose your qualified immunity. I don't want to talk to you. Get the hell away from me. Well, I'm not going to give you ID.
Okay, you're going to listen to me now.
No, I'm not going to listen to you right now. I don't give a rat's ass what you have to say.
Okay.
So you can say whatever you want, but you're on...
You're fine to be here and do what you're doing.
I know I'm fine to be here and do what I'm doing, and I'm not going to ID to you, and I don't really care what you have to say. I'm going to talk over you because what you have to say is really unimportant to me. So I'm going to continue to talk over you. What you're saying is a waste of time. I can't even understand you, so just piss off and get lost. I don't really care what you have to say. Get lost.
Don't be
I don't care what you have to say. Get lost.
The cops walked away with shame after they can't handle the young man. This next clip features officers who violated a man's right and arrested him, but gets humiliated afterwards.
What's that? I'm sorry. No, you're trespassing right now. That's why I'm asking you what you're doing.
Trespassing on public property that I paid for?
Yes.
Can I have your name badge number, please?
Yes, you can.
Yo, take
this. We find out who you are. Okay. So what is it you're doing back here?
Hey guys.
Your phone is perfectly fine.
Hey
and
guys,
it's on still. See that?
Go ahead and call.
Step over
podcast,
here.
please.
We're talking to you. So step over here and tell us what you're doing back here. This is private property, and that's why we're asking you. I have an ID with you, sir.
Ma'am, did you turn my phone off?
You got a...
That's a violation of my First Amendment.
What's your full name and date of birth? What's your full name and date of birth?
Can I please talk to a supervisor?
What's your full name and date of birth?
You guys are working on getting a lawsuit. Can you
So
please?
listen, you're fixing to be arrested for failure to ID if you don't identify yourself.
That's a secondary charge. What's the
Do
primary
you understand?
charge? What's the primary
Do you
charge?
understand?
What's the primary charge, sir?
What is your name and date of birth?
Sir, what's the primary charge?
You are being detained right
I'm not
now.
going to answer anything. If I'm detained, then I don't have to talk to you. I like my lawyer, please. And if I'm not detained, I'm free to go.
What is your name and date of birth then?
I like my attorney, please.
Pat him down, make sure he doesn't have any weapons on him. He's back here walking by the units recording. Yeah.
The cops were too quick and unlawfully arrested him without any probable cause or reasonable suspicion. When they meet their superior, he teaches them the law and orders them to release him.
You guys gonna let me go now?
Yeah, we'll let you go. Let's take him and walk him over there.
Can you please make sure my phone is still on? If you turn off my phone, I'll be filing a lawsuit against you for violating my First Amendment rights. That phone
Let's
is
take him
my
over.
record.
Cuffs off.
Can you please get my phone first? I want my phone to record this.
What do you need?
That is my
I said
official
let's
record.
walk
You
him
cannot
over.
interfere with my First Amendment right. Please bring my phone back.
I don't know who that was.
Please record them taking my cuffs off. Ma'am? Please record them taking my handcuffs off. You gonna calm the fuck down next time?
Oh, I'm very calm. Very calm.
You ran up and grabbed me, threw handcuffs on me for a First Amendment.
I don't know what you're back here for.
You just got yourself in a world of shit.
Go ahead.
You don't need to know what I'm back here for.
Yeah.
What did I do, sir? What was your reasonable, articulable suspicion that I had committed a crime, was about to commit a crime, or had just committed a crime?
You're standing
What
around
was it?
walking back here recording us in our unit.
Oh, so that's against the law? Recording you is against the law. Did you hear that, guys? This was Officer... Sorry, what's your name and badge number?
David Laird.
Sorry?
David Laird.
Good, I'm going to get to know it very well. You'll be listed in the lawsuit.
Police cannot arrest you unless you have committed a crime or have violated the law. If they arrest you without probable cause, they have violated your rights and can face legal consequences for their actions. If you like to watch more police cam stories, subscribe for more.